Nissam is a great YouTuber and deserves your help, so subscribe and share this video.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Nissam, and today I'm going to show you something crazy. How to get VO3, Google's insane new AI video generator, completely free and start making these. Yep. These were all made with VO3, and trust me, the results are mind-blowing, especially if you love storytelling, ads, or just want to go viral. All right, let's get straight to it. The first thing you need is a Gemini Pro account. That's how you unlock VO3 and more tools like NotebookLM. But wait, you don't have to pay anything. I got you. If you're not in the US, you'll need a free VPN to make this work. Super simple. Let's go to Google and search for Urban VPN Chrome extension. Install it. Pin it. Click the icon. Now choose the United States and hit connect. Wait a few seconds. Boom, your IP is now from the US. Now with the VPN running, click the special link. If you're in the US, you don't need the VPN, just skip this step. Paste the link, click Get Student Offer. You'll be redirected to your Gemini dashboard. And as you can see, you now have Gemini Pro. No credit card, no tricks. This is where the magic happens. Now you can access VO3, NotebookLM, and more tools completely free. Here's what I created already. A man drinking the coffee and looking to the camera and saying subscribe to Nissam. A dragon in the clouds. A penguin walking to the camera.
I wanna cry, but
A 30-meter titan with a hammer saying, I will destroy you. Each one took just one prompt and 2 minutes of patience. And yeah, sometimes the AI doesn't fully follow the prompt, but if you tweak a few words, the result will be great. If you're hyped to try this, please like the video, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. I'm not monetized yet, and this is literally my job. Your support means the world. I'm also preparing some full premium courses about AI tools and how to make money online. No fluff, just value. You won't find these anywhere else. So if you want that, make sure you're subbed and hit the bell. That's all for today. Go try VO3, create something epic, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on creating ads with Veo. I'm down to do it. This was Nissam. Catch you in the next one. Peace.